Hello, welcome to demo number 2 of the Brocade vTM Puppet module. So if you saw the first demo, we looked at how the module can auto-generate its own manifests just by walking the REST API of the traffic manager. This means we get 0 maintenance modules. You can also upgrade your own modules without relying on Brocade or anyone else to manage the module for you, and you get access to new features as soon as they're released. Excellent. In this demo, we're actually going to demonstrate using the module itself to actually apply configuration to traffic managers. Okay, so demo 1 was about maintenance of the module, and demo 2 is about using the module. So like in the first one, we're going to use Docker, so nothing running at the moment, and rather than type out long Docker commands every time, I'm going to use these aliases to do it for me. Okay, so first of all, let's just start up a 10.2 traffic manager. It's got the IP of .29 and that's its password. Excellent. So we'll start a browser session and then we will log in. Admin, password, login, running 10.2, use developer mode for now. So a freshly installed traffic manager running in Docker. So what we're going to do now is we're going to generate some config. We could generate it, obviously this normally be generated by Puppet, but we're just going to configure it manually by hand, and then we're going to use a tool included with the module to generate a manifest for this node directly. So first things first, let's license our traffic manager. Choose file, here's our license key, install that. So now we're licensed. Go to the home page and create and manage a new service. So we'll manage Puppet Labs. Why not? www.puppetlabs.com. Okay, so we now have a local traffic manager, load balancing, Puppet Labs 29 was it? And there you go, Puppet Labs website, brilliant. Okay, but we want to add a little bit more configuration than that, so let's replace the logo. So in here I have a logo file I'm going to upload like that, and then just create a simple rule to change that logo. So we'll call it new logo. Create rule. Okay, so if I go into Documents, Puppet Camp, my demo from Puppet Camp into simple. So we've got a logo SVG in there, and we've also got Puppet logo. So let's copy that and paste it in there. Update. Excellent. Okay, so that's the new logo. We're going to need a few more rules. We're going to create one called libimage. So cat libimage, and we want to take this rule in here, paste it in here, update, there you go, and the final one is going to be called place kitten. Okay, cat place kitten. So there you go. So this one imports that library. So that libimage library, basically you give it a JPEG, a GIF or a PNG, and it tells you the dimensions. What this rule is going to do is it's going to use that to get the dimensions, and then it's going to make a call out to placekitten.com with those dimensions, and it'll be given an image of the same dimensions, but of a little kitten. So there are rules. Now let's apply them to our virtual server. To the rules, so we want a request rule, it's a new logo, and our response rule, we can have place kitten. There you go. Okay, so now if we reload this website, it should look a little bit different. It's not Puppet Labs anymore, it's Puppet Cats. Look at that, lovely. There you go, hooray. Okay, so I've just generated a config for a traffic manager. That'll do. In here I've got a folder called files with nothing in it. So let's generate our configuration using Demo2 config. Don't tell me you can't find it. Right, so we want to generate node config using the IP of the traffic manager, username admin, password with the password. We're going to do a sparse config version 3.6, output to vTM pp, and put the binaries into the files folder. Go. Okay, so inside files we have our license key we uploaded, the logo SVG file we uploaded, and the rules we created. And in vtm.pp we have the main manifest. Okay, and all the logos and everything else. So also included in here will be configuration for the traffic manager. But what we're going to do is we're going to throw this one away, and we're going to create a new traffic manager. So we don't need this part of the configuration. So I'll delete it. And here's our Puppet Labs virtual server, all our rules and our pools and everything else. Okay, so before we apply that, let's get rid of this one. VTM stop, we'll shut it down. Connection refused, this will start timing out. Okay, it's gone. Docker ps gone. Excellent. Close these down. Okay, let's start fresh 10.2. So that's starting up. So VTM IP, VTM pass. Take its IP address. Okay, log in. Admin. Password. Yeah, there you go. It's running on .30, brand new traffic manager. Now let's modify this manifest to actually talk to this traffic manager instead. So put the password in, change the IP, and there you go. So we've got our manifest. Let's run a Puppet apply. Okay, so it's gone through, checked for the existence of the objects, obviously, got a 404 back, and then created them. We run through it again, and this time we should get all OKs and no red. There you go. Okay, so this is now had our configuration applied. So if we go to its IP address, .30, there we have it. Our load balanced Puppet Labs website. Marvelous. Cool. And that's that, I think. Thanks for watching.